Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to RAAH batch. Today we're going to do some interesting questions from percentages. My name is Amit Surana. I am an aeronautical engineer from Chennai. This is my Telegram group. If you guys have not joined this yet, please go ahead and do that. The link is given in the description. Okay. So yesterday we had stopped till layering. Let's do a couple more questions from layering so that we get confident about it. Try this out. Arithmetic. Guys, don't forget to change the quality of the video. Go to menu, go to advanced under quality and increase the quality to 1080p, 720, 740p or 560p. It accepts. These videos are playable in 1080p as well. Answers, anybody? Essay, he says B, 40%. All right, let's do this. So there are two classes, X and Y. Okay. Let's say if X has 100 students, then Y will have 50% more students than X, 150. So together X and Y, they have 250 students. Okay. Now what are they saying? They're saying that the number of engineers in class X, number of engineers in class X, let's say is E, is equal to the number of accountants in class Y. Okay. Accountants, engineers. Yeah. So the number of accountants here will be 100 minus E and number of engineers here will be 150 minus E. Correct? They're saying the percentage of engineers is same in both the classes. So percentage of engineers will be how much? E by 100 into 100. Engineers in X will be equal to 150 minus E by 150 into 100. Correct? Percentage of engineers is the same in both. So 100 gets cancelled out. This is 2 times, 3 times, cross multiply. You will get 3E is equal to 300 minus 2E, giving us what? 5E is 300 or E is 60. Yes, so with this we have the number of students now. X में engineers is 60, Y में accountants are 60, X में accountants will be 40, and Y में engineers will be 150 minus 60, that is 90. So what they're asking is what percentage of the student group are accountants. So how many accountants are there? Totally in 250 students, 40 and 60, there are 100 accountants, correct? Yeah, correct, ऐसे ही that has to be there, no? वो होगा ही होगा. Done. So total accountants out of 250, total accountants are how many? 100. 40 and 60, 100. Yes. So 100 is what percentage of 250 they are asking? 40%. बढ़िया. Yes. So we have to give that both in class X and in class Y there are only engineers and accountants, and anybody who's an engineer cannot be an accountant. जो भी engineer है वो accountant नहीं हो सकता. Yes, intersection नहीं है, zero है. Done. Cool guys, चलेंगे next. Try this. This is actually a previous year question. If you all can solve this. Ritik says C, 1,40,000. Thus, चलो ठीक है. So let's take previous and current into consideration. Okay, in both 260,000 people voted each time. Okay, 260k people voted each time. Yeah. Now number of people voted for this party, number of people did not vote for the party. Same way, number of people voted for this party, number of people not voted for the party. Okay, they're saying the number of votes not cast for the party increased by 25%. So if I say this is 4x, क्योंकि 25% इंक्रीज हो रहा है ना, तो इसको 4x लेते हैं. यस, एंड यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, 25% इंक्रीज, सो 5x. यस, हियर नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु वोटेड विल बी व्हाट, 260k minus 4x, and here it will be 260k minus 5x. Yeah, now what are they saying? They are saying that so current में they lost. Yes, current में they had lost. That means number of people who did not vote will be greater. And past में they had won. That means number of people who voted will be greater. Yes. So here, what is the majority? Majority by which they won or lost. In this, it will be what? 260k minus 4x minus 4x. Correct? इतना मेजॉरिटी है, डिफरेंस दोनों में. या सो विच इज हाउ मच, 260k माइनस 8x. और यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं कि वो लोग हार गए थे, करंट में वो लोग हार गए, तो हारने का मेजॉरिटी क्या होगा, 5x माइनस 260k माइनस ऑफ माइनस 5x विल बी 10x, 5 प्लस 5x. यस, सो ये कितना हो गया, ये हो गया 10x माइनस 260k. Yes. Now what are they saying? KLPD, the party lost by a majority twice as large as it had won. तो इसका जो डबल है, इस मेजॉरिटी का जो डबल है, will be equal to this. Our aim is to find out x. Ultimately, we can get the number of people in any of these cases. Okay. So what will we get? We can cancel 2 with this. Yes. So 260k minus 8x will be equal to 5x minus 260 का हाफ कितना, 130k. yes, bring 8x here, 13x हो जाएगा, and bring 230 here, ये हो जाएगा 390k. agreed? तो x क्या हो गया, 30k. x का वैल्यू मिल गया हमें 30k. नाउ व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन आस्किंग, हाउ मेनी पीपल वोटेड फॉर KLP, वोटेड फॉर द पार्टी इन द प्रीवियस असेंबली पोल्स. सो प्रीवियस असेंबली पोल्स में कितने लोगों ने वोट किया, 260 माइनस 4x लोगों ने वोट किया. यस, सो आवर आंसर इज 260k, दैट इज 260,000 माइनस 4 into 30,000 विच इज 1,20,000 या 120,000. ठीक है, 4x is 4 into 30,000 which is 120,000. This is the required value. This is equal to what, 140,000 which is 1,40,000. बढ़िया. Hi Achutam, yes, this is percentages. This is our 4th lecture. We've already done 3 lectures earlier. Please have a look at them. Okay. Badhiya guys, understood everybody? Shall we move on? Try the next one. This is also previous year question. पुराने CAT से है, old CAT, but this was asked earlier. Hi Shruti, good afternoon. Dinesh says B, 30.3%. Okay. ऐसे he also says B. Alright. So let's assume number of days to be 100. Okay. Let's say there are 100 days. So what are they saying? This and let's say the budget is also 100 या budget को X रख लो कुछ भी. Yes. Let budget also be 100. Yes. So now what happens? They're saying he spends 12% of his budget on the first 10% of the days. So can I say 10% of 100 days, that is 10 days mein he spends of how much? 12% of the budget, which is $12. Yes, या 12 rupees, जो भी 100 days and 100 rupees. Easy for us to differentiate. Okay. He knows that he has to spend another 35 days in the city itself. Yes, so another 35 days is pay, another 35 days will give us total 45 days, correct? Yes, तो कितना पैसा spend होगा into 4.5, so 12 into 4.5 will be how much? 12 into 4.5 is basically 6 into 9, which is 54 rupees. So 100 में से 54 rupees he has already spent. 100 में से 54 rupees he has already spent. Okay. Now, how many days in country will he spend? Out of 100, if 45 days he has spent in city, then in country he will be spending 55 days. Correct? Based on this budget, he should be spending 1 rupee per day. Yes, अपने budget के हिसाब से 1 rupee per day he should be spending so that he could spend all 100 days properly. Yes, but अभी उसके पास कितना remaining है? So 55 rupees was the initial budget. Initial budget was what? 55 rupees. Yes. Now leftover budget is how much? 100 में से he's already spent 54 in the city. So how much remaining? 46 rupees remaining. Do you agree? So how much is the reduce? What is the reduction in the budget here? Decrease in the budget. कितना decrease करना पड़ा उसे? 55 से 46. That is 55 minus 46. 9 rupees का decrease है. Do you agree, guys? Everybody? everyone? So 9 rupees ka decrease should be compared to what? As a percentage of his spending in city. Yeah, as a percentage of his spending in city. So basically here he has spent 54 rupees in 45 days, which is basically 6 by 5 rupees. Yeah, and here 46 rupees for 55 days. Yeah, which is 23 by 11 rupees. So we need to find the decrease from this to this. Yeah, इधर से इधर कितना decrease? Sorry, this is 23 and गलत हो गया, गलत कर, ये कैंसिल नहीं होगा 2. 46 by 55 rupees only, okay, per day. So if we compare this के बजट में कितना डिक्रीज किया है उसने पर डे, yeah, from here to here, decrease is what? 6 by 5 minus 46 by 55, which is 66 by 55, so 20 by 55 rupees. Agreed? Yeah, ऐसे ही, sorry, calculation error हो गया. So decrease is 20 by 55 rupees. Yes, this has to be as a percentage of spending in city. So percentage decrease will be 20 by 55 upon 6 by 5 into 100. Yeah, this we can rewrite as what? यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ calculation, बहुत सारे calculation errors हो रहा है, so do it carefully itself. Into 5 by 6. This is once 11 times, this is 10 3 times into 100, है ना? So this will be 10,000 by 33 percentage. Got this, guys? So 1000 by 33, we know that 1000 by 30 is 33.33%, तो इसका approximately 30% आना चाहिए. Precise value will be 30.303030%. Okay, clear, guys? Yeah. So one thing that goes without saying, it's not given here, but it goes without saying, this is per day expenditure in city, per day expenditure in country. We have to find the decrease in terms of percentage, okay, which is 30.30%. Yeah, it has to mean spending per day. Okay, average expenditure basically. Done? Yes. Next, I'm going to run through some general questions with you guys. I'll give you 1.5 minutes to solve this. Okay, so I'll start the timer again. Try karo jaldi se. This is also a previous year question. Answers, guys? Anyone? I say he says A. All right. So there are two people, R and P. R bought a flat for 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees is 100,000. And P purchased a plot of land worth 1.1 lakhs, which is 110,000. Yes. Now what are they saying? They're saying that annual rates at which the price of flat and plot increase are 10% and 5%. So every year, here 5% increase per year, and here it will be 10% increase per year. Okay, per year. Yes, so they're saying after 2 years if they exchanged, so first let's find out after 2 years what happens. Yes, after 2 years क्या हो जाएगा? 100,000 पहले 5% से increase हुआ, which became 105, another 5% से increase. Yes, so 100 पे 100k पे क्या हुआ? First 5% increase, then another 5% increase. We are using multiplicative factor. This will give us 110.25k, which is basically 110,250 rupees. Okay, ये है इसका final value. And what about P's case? P's case में 10% increase हो रहा है on 110. So it is 110 into 1.1 into 1.1. Correct? Yes, 110k पे पहले 1.1, then another 1.1. This gives us 133.1k, which is nothing but उल्टा कर दिया. This is 10%, this is 5%. आज क्या हो गया भाई? Sorry guys, थोड़ा सा this is 10%, this is 5%. My bad. Okay, वही मैं सोचो इतना बड़ा डिफरेंस कैसे आ रहा है. So 100 पे 1.1 and 1.1, this is 121k, which is 121,000. and यहाँ पे 110k पे 5% का increase 1.05 into 1.05. yeah, sorry 110 into 1.05 into 1.05 is 121.275. Okay, which is what? 121,275 rupees. So they're asking, first things first, किसका valuation ज़्यादा है? Whose valuation is more? P's valuation is more. तो R P को पैसा देगा, जिसका valuation ज़्यादा होगा उसको पैसा मिलेगा. So P will not be paying anything to R. Yes, and how much? दोनों में difference कितना है? Difference will be what? 275 rupees का. So R has to pay P how much? 275 rupees. Okay. ठीक है. Cool. चलेंगे next. चलिए, try the next one. Very good. D is correct. 726 is correct. What do you mean by inflation? Inflation means increase. Yes. So every year 1000% increase होता है value. Yeah. So 100 पे अगर 1000% increase हुआ, so can we say it is 1100%? That is nothing but 1100 by 100, 11 times per year. 11 times, 11 times का increase है per year. Yes, now 11 times हो जाता है value. New value is 11 times. Yes. So for the first year it will be 6 rupees पे 11 increase. Then again for the second year we will have same 11. So 121 into 6 is how much? 6 to 726. बढ़िया. Yes. Or what you can do is directly look at this. This is 10 times. 1000% is basically 10 times. Yeah. तो पहली बार जब 10 टाइम्स से इंक्रीज होता है, फर्स्ट टाइम 10 टाइम्स से जब इंक्रीज होता है तो क्या हो जाता है वैल्यू? 6 रुपीज पे 10 टाइम्स ऑफ 6, 60 इंक्रीज हो गया, विच इज 66 रुपीज. नेक्स्ट अगेन 66 पे क्या होता है? 10 टाइम्स इंक्रीज, 660 इंक्रीज, विच इज 726. ठीक है, डन. चलिए नेक्स्ट. Answer, anybody? Dinesh says 4. Okay. Others? So let's understand this question. One bacterium splits into 8, they are saying. Okay. So there is 1. This splits into 8. This becomes 8. But because of the environment, only 50% can sustain. Yes. So only 4 will sustain. Next, again, what happens? This each will split into 8, so they will become 32. Only half can sustain, so this will become 16. Yes, this is first generation. ये first generation, ये second generation, ये third generation, and so on. Okay. So 16 again will become what? 16 into 8, which is 128. Yeah, 128 में से सिर्फ half ही sustain करेंगे, which is 64. 1, 2, 3, 4 generations हो गया. 5th generation 64 into 8 is 8 cube, 512. उसका हाफ ही सस्टेन करेंगे, which is 256. yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th generation हो गया. अगेन 256 क्या हो जाएगा? 256 into 8 is 2048. हाफ हो जाएगा, which is 1024. yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th generation हो गया. now 7th generation में क्या होगा? into 8, तो 1024 into 8 हो जाएगा 8192. 8192 का हाफ कितना है? 4096. yes, 8192 का हाफ हो जाएगा 4096. So this is 7th generation. Getting this? First generation, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth के बाद का. ठीक है, sixth, ये रहा 7th. बढ़िया. ये हो गया मैनुअली. अब मैनुअली इतना करना is of no use. So this is 4096 million. तो ये 1024 million, 256 million, 64 million, 16 million, 4 million, 1 million. yeah, instead what we can do is, देखो, तो ये तो हो गया अपना आंसर. 1 million is the answer. okay, what is a faster way of doing it? Can we say per generation, every generation में 8 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, फिर हाफ हो रहा है, तो can we say it gets multiplied by 4? Correct, Harshit. Yes, it gets multiplied by 4. yeah, so from the first generation जहाँ पे 1 था, उस पे, या x था, चलो x रख लो, ऐसे ही अगर डाउट आ रहा है तो x रख लो, इनटू ये फर्स्ट जनरेशन का हो गया. इसके बाद 6 और generations. फर्स्ट जनरेशन इज डन. 6 more generations will be what? 4 to the power 6. This has to be 4096 million, they are saying. yes. so 4096 into x. 4 to the power 6 is basically 2 to the power 12, which is 1024, 2048, 4096. yes, so ये क्या है? 4096 million. sorry, 4096 million. So can we say x is nothing but 1 million? Correct. yes. Then everyone. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. या एक्चुअली वो क्लैरिटी देना चाहिए क्वेश्चन में वो क्लैरिटी देना चाहिए दैट द रिमेनिंग 4 cells विल सस्टेन 7 generations. ओके, बाकी के जो 4 से जो आप मल्टीप्लाई मतलब 8 कर इंटू 8 करके हाफ कर रहे हो, तो जो बाकी के हाफ है वो सस्टेन करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे वो क्लैरिटी क्वेश्चन में देना चाहिए था, बट दे हैवंट. So it's okay. Then in that case, according to what essay he is saying, the number will be even less than 1 million. 1 million से भी less रहेगा फिर. I'll add some more time. जल्दी से try करिए guys. We should actually say sustain, but yeah, Anudeep's point is also right. हल्का सा ambiguity है वहाँ पे question में, don't worry. Dinesh says B. P has to be less than Q. Others. ऐसे ही says C. P is greater than Q. Anudeep is also saying C. P is greater than Q. Okay, so what happens here is starting from 1998 to 2002 end. 1998 end to 2002 end, जितने भी years हुए, yes, they're saying effective increase, yes, will be the same as effective decrease. Yes, effective increase and effective decrease are the same in terms of number of growths. Yes, we know that increase जब होता है in percentage, increase जब होता है a by n से increase होता है, और जब decrease होता है a by n plus a से decrease होता है. correct? For example, अगर 1/5 से increase हुआ 1/4 से इंक्रीज हुआ तो 1/5 से डिक्रीज होगा बैलेंस आउट करने के लिए. या so a 25% increase is equivalent to 20% decrease. Yeah, this is P, this is Q. P is greater than Q. आ गया समझ में? कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, प्योरली बाय लॉजिक यू कैन डू इट. प्योरली बाय लॉजिक यू कैन डू इट. ठीक है, डन. So chalo, with this we will end this session, guys. We are doing special class today. We are doing a special class today on mensuration, 2D and 3D both. Practice session, yes, on the app. So you can join at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. today, join. Okay. And if you're looking for mock tests, then you can go for Plus or Iconic subscription, because mock tests are available, practice tests are available for CAT and other management entrance test. Even test on GK is also available. Okay, guys, the offer has been extended to 30th April. That is tomorrow. These are the prices for the subscription. Use Surana Live to get your 20% discount. Okay, you can use this code Surana Live to get 20% discount. This is valid till tomorrow midnight. तो उसके पहले please go ahead and take this. Okay. New batch starting on the 30th of April. You can join this. These are all the benefits of taking Plus: unlimited access to all the features on the app, including unlimited number of live and recorded sessions. You can join as many courses or batches or follow educators and download their PDFs for your notes. Live test and quiz, open house, Unacademy community pay access, raise a hand feature and ask a doubt feature. And if you go for Iconic, you will get all the benefits of Plus. Along with that, GDPI WAT के लिए आपको अलग से कुछ लेना नहीं पड़ेगा. Included one-on-one live session, live doubt session. You will have test analysis, expert guidance, Discord and notes also. ठीक है. May 15th को टेस्ट है, 66 questions, 2 घंटे के लिए. Top 5 rankers will get these awards. ये QR code है. This is the QR code. You can scan this to join Unacademy Champions. May 3rd, 10th and 24th को skill builder test होंगे, puzzles, speed math and vocabulary grammar पे. 10 questions in 30 minutes. Give them. Okay. And CAT quick 10 questions in 15 minutes. You can try these out. May 5, May 12, May 26. LRDI, Quant and VARC पे होगा. Top 5 performers will get a chance to win 2000 rupees के vouchers. And if you have any doubts, you can upload them on the website or the app. Up to 3 doubts you can upload. Use preferred language. You can also ask for a review of your solution. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for being a part of this session. I will catch up with you guys in the session in the evening, 8 p.m. special class. Okay. Thank you so much. Keep learning. Let's crack it.